Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to freeze frame on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC. And from here, what we're gonna do to freeze the frame is we simply need to go first into the frame in the clip in where we want to freeze. So let's say we want to freeze right here. Yeah, maybe this one. And after you have positioned your playhead to the frame that you want to freeze, you want to click here on freeze frame button right here. So click on this one. And as you can see, you would have a clip right here and it says freeze right here in your clip. And from here, you can extend this clip as long as you want, just like this one right here. You can do it like this as long as you want. But this is the default one. It's normally like this big right here. So you have the freedom like this to extend it if you'd want. And I can do it like this, and I can do some effects right this in the freeze frame, like maybe some thing right here, maybe this one right here, like there's a freeze frame, and when I go and play it, it would look like this, but it depends on what you want to put an effect in the freeze frame right there. But let's go and put it, this effect right here, right there, and just like this is just a simple example. So yeah, that is basically how you can freeze frame on CapCut PC. So thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.